Hi kids, welcome to our next farming episode. What we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to be racing some goats. Awesome, alright, now goats, odd little creatures, and they're roamers, they go everywhere. So what we're going to have to be doing is we're going to be walking through the paddocks here, and when we see them, we're going to have to run and we're going to have to catch them. And when we're running, there might be things in our way. We might have to jump, we might have to duck. If we see a snake, then we're going to have to, boom, use our snap kick. Alright, if we see a kangaroo, boom, bang, boom, we're going to have to use our chops. But what we have to do is we have to catch 5 goats by the end of the day. Alright, if you see either of those animals, you've got to make sure we get them nice and quick so that we can keep going and catch this goat. Alright, now, before we start, let's get into our warm-up. Big circle, 1, 2, we'll go nice and fast. 3, 4, 5, backwards, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up taller than those toes, and down. Good, taller, and down. Beautiful, last one, and down. All right, legs apart, nice and wide. Slide down, pull yourself forward. Hands and your hips, rotate up, hips forward, just up. Oh, beautiful, down we go, and up. Oh, very good. Now, what I want you to do is balance on one leg. So, look at a spot on the ground. For me, you'll see my dot there. That's what I'm looking at. Bend your knee, keep your foot out. We're gonna hold that for 10 seconds. 10, 9, keep your balance, make sure your knee's bent. What it's gonna do is make your leg warm, but it's waking it up. So that when we're doing all this running today, we don't hurt ourselves. 3, 2, beautiful. Let's try on the other leg. Look at a spot on the floor, keep looking there the whole time. Foot up, 10 seconds, hold on to it strong, keep your balance, keep your balance. 7, 6, good. 5, nearly there. 4, 3, 2, outstanding. All right, now, goats. Why goats? Goats are generally wild animals, all right? So usually people don't own them. Sometimes they do. Some people have goats, some people have farms with goats. But what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be chasing some wild ones. They're pretty quick, but they get tired quite quickly. So what we're gonna do, as you'll see, we're gonna go to this farm. I'm gonna open a portal. Ready? Ready, watch here. We're gonna open a portal. There it is. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into that portal and that's gonna take us to the farm. Ready? Big jump, jump with me, ready? Go! Whoa! How cool is that? Now we're on the farm. All right, now, on this farm, see that there's a lot of hills, there's a lot of mountains, and there's some paths here. We're gonna follow these paths because they look a little bit like goat tracks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be running the whole time. If I tell you to duck, make sure you duck. There might be some sheep poo flying at your head. If I tell you to jump, might just be a rock, could be a snake. Make sure you jump nice and fast. And then when we get to the kicks or the chops, make sure you're ready for that too. All right, so let's go. Let's move those feet. Make sure we're always running forward. Make sure you're lifting those knees nice and high. Good duck there. Boom, all that sheep's poo came pretty quick. Boom, duck again, more sheep's poo. Keep running, jump, rock. Good. Can you see a goat? Way out there, there's a goat out there. Keep running, we're getting there, snake, jump. Good. Oh, snap kick, bang, power kick. Boom, good, all right, keep running, snake, jump. Good, snap kick, boom, power kick, bang, keep running, duck. Good, jump. Beautiful, keep running. Ooh, kangaroo. Now, what do we do on the kangaroos? Chops, chop the kangaroo. 1, 2, chop to the head. All right, keep going, guard, bang, he's trying to punch us. Guard, boom. Good, all right, let's chop him again, go. 1, 2, kia, go. Kia, good. Keep running, doing well. Get through kangaroos, getting through the snakes. Jump, rock. Good. Jump, rock. Beautiful, duck. Lovely, another kangaroo. Ready? Chop 1, boom. Chop 2, bang. Chop to the head. Boom, guard. Hold that guard up. Nice, chop again. 1, 2, 3. Good, run fast. Lift those knees, run. Jump. There's a rock, jump, snake, snap, boom, kick. Good. All right, how you feeling? You thirsty? Quick drink. You got 5 seconds. The goats are there and we're catching them. Beautiful, kids, feet together. And bow. Let's go get that go, go quick. Run, run. It's up there. Let's go, run fast, run fast. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Oh! Got the first goat. Well done, we gotta get 4 more. We need to catch 5 today. Run, run, run. Look, its friends are up there, 2 of its friends. We got a quick rock. Good, rock. Boom. Run, 2 of its friends. 2 of its friends, quick. Boom, 1. Boom, 2. Well done, guys. That's 3 goats now, 3 goats. All right, snake's coming, jump. Boom, snap, kick. Oh, beautiful. Run fast, rock. Good, sheep poo. Sheep poo. Good, run fast. Run fast, move quick. Lift those knees, good, jump. Next goat, quick, oh, kangaroo. 1, 2, 3. Good, run, run. Get that goat, go fast, rock. Good, get that goat, get that goat. Bang. 4 goats, we got 1 to get. 1 more goat to catch. Really well done. Nearly there, nearly there. Let's go super fast, you can see it, it's not far ahead. We gotta run quick. Ready, go fast. 10 seconds, I think we can get it. You've gotta pump your arms really quick. Lift your knees, 10 seconds, as fast as you can. Ready, go fast. Run, run, catch that goat. Fast, jump. Good, run, run, run. 5 seconds left. 4, nearly there. 3, 2, get it. Oh, for the goats. 5 goats, kids. Give me a big high five. Pa, pa, pa. Boom. Beautiful job. All right, really well done. Hope you guys had some fun catching some of those goats today. You're really good effort. Really, really good effort. Now, if you want to keep going with the farm episodes, watch this one. If you want something different, watch this. Make sure you like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Whoa, guys, just before you go, if you guys want to do more training with me, grab your parents. You can come along and do my 6-week yellow belt program right now. All you have to do is click the link below this video, get your parents to have a read through it, and if they're happy and you're happy and you want to come and do some more training with me, we've got a whole bunch of videos and courses lined up for you ready to go. Now, in this yellow belt program, what you're gonna do is you're gonna meet my dog Jack. With my dog Jack, what's happened? His 6 puppies were stolen by the evil Killery Nastier. Now, what we have to do on our journey to get you your yellow belt is we have to go and save Jack's 6 puppies. In doing so, each week we're gonna come up against different challenges. You're gonna learn different strikes. We're gonna play a ton of games. You're gonna have so much fun. At the end of it, if you help us save Jack's 6 puppies, you get your yellow belt. Click the link below, let your parents have a read, and see if it's something that you might be interested in doing. But I'd love to have you come and help us save Jack's 6 puppies. All right, guys, leave it there. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in the yellow belt course. Bye.